Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. What's up? Welcome to Fundamental of Building 3D Games using Unity and Blender. Instructor Dr. Mohammed Al-Uda. Introduction to code immediately in C Sharp. In this course, we are going to learn how to use the most. We are going to work with conditional block and also with looping in the order thing that they appear while we are developing a game. Welcome back. Before we jump into coding, it is interesting to have a game object in this scene. So we have a blank project. We have camera directional light as usual. And what we want to do is just start by add a cup. So we get all our hierarchy windows, right click, select 3D object and cup. When we do this, we have a full cup in the scene. We can set in position inspector 000. So it's center in our scene, and to change its color, just so with the construct better with this game, we are going to go to our ascent folder. We right click, select create and material, change name cup, we want to select orange color. Now we drag and draw this material in sense or hair sense in cup or inspector. Hair material and element 0, drag and drop hair, or drag and drop in our scene. And to make the camera be close to the cup, we can just like the main camera here and put here -4. We can see camera preview here. I put the position in Z -4. Okay, and just so we don't lose any work, any work we do here, let save the sense. Write game dot unity, save here. Unity is you create script file, which is it cloud be write in C# or JavaScript, and you attach this script to game object. You are going to add the script as a component for the game object. Unity provide us with things like physical collision. So we are going to start making a script for this cup. We are going to our project windows. We are going to right click and create and choose C# script and change the name cup script, for example. And if something go wrong, write your code. You are going to have use the console windows here. You can just go to Windows and press console. Error message exists here uh, with the red sign, and here this one to tell you that something wrong. It's going. You are going to see wearing message with red with yellow sign, which is going to be message with this yellow exclamation point here, exclamation mark. It's not going to make the game stop working, but still it's to keep in mind. Information message at some simple log message. Uh, we can just select this cub script and drag and drop here to the cub game object. You notice that there this cub script file in inspector. We are going to double click in this cub script file, and once you do this, you notice the code interface. It's free, it's open source free. It's already come with Unity. So if you didn't change enough into full setting, we have a little line right in here. So we say using Unity engine. It's mean that the code that we are going to write here is going to in this block. Okay, close this, delete it. This block of code. It's basically the definition of the cub class, cub script. We write between this curly practice. Curly practice is going to be change how the cub is behavior. In this curly practice, they are basically define the scope of this class. Variable are a way that we can use to store data in the memory. For example, public float equal 1.5. A variable are way that we can use to store data in memory. This variable name or identifier. Type float, data type float. It's mean that I am say that variable Muhammad al is going to store a floating point number. So it's a number that contain decimal part. It's not whole number like 1, 2, 3. This equal sign is not comparison. Compare. You don't want to ask if left side equal to right side. When we use equal sign on only one, it means the marking assignment. If you save the script file, save, and go to Unity, now drag and drop in cub script to cub here, or drag and drop here. Here you can see variable Muhammad al 1.5, or Cup script to cup. Mm, move up, move up, move up. Okay. Now go to cup script and clear uh, string, string name collection of character, and use double quote. For example, public uh, new name equal for file, save, and go to Unity. Now push in cub. You can see here. Okay, go back to cub script and see the code. Public string new string new name file save and go to Unity, push in cub. You can see the two variable name, this float data type and this data type new name.